We're going to work on the handwriting for numbers 4 and 5. Take a look at 4. It's made of all straight lines, which makes it an easy number to write. We've got a straight line down to the middle, straight line across the middle, then a big line that goes from the top line to the bottom handwriting line. Here's how you make a 4. Start at the top handwriting line and go straight down to the middle handwriting line. Go straight across the middle handwriting line. Pick your pencil up, go back to the top, and a big line down. Make sure that big line touches the top and the bottom. A little bit faster, here's what it looks like. Start at the top, straight to the middle, straight across the middle, pick your pencil up, big line down. Now, if you don't go far enough down, you're going to end up with a 4 that looks like that. Make sure you come all the way down to the middle. Likewise, if you go too far down, you're going to end up with a 4 that looks like that. Also don't want that. The important thing, once you've done this part, is to remember to pick your pencil up and go back to the top. If not, 4s end up looking like this, and kids aren't sure how to do that line. They just go up and down, up and down. So make sure you pick your pencil up. All right, now let's take a look at 5. 5 is made of this little line from the top to the middle, a curve that then touches the ground, and then we call this last part here adding a hat. Here's how you make a 5. You start at the top, go straight to the middle. Now we make a little curve, touches the ground. Pick our pencils up again, go back to where we started, and make a hat straight across the top. Here's what it looks like. Little line down, little curve to the ground, add a hat. Here's things you want to avoid. You want to avoid too big of a curve. That means my line did not come down to the middle. Likewise, you want to avoid too little of a curve. That means my line came way past that middle. That middle is an important line. Likewise, make sure that your numbers all touch the top and the bottom. So you don't want to have a number that's just floating off in the handwriting lines, okay? The other tricky thing with a 5 is sometimes kids want to make a C shape and then add a hat, and their 5s end up looking like that. The curve in a 5 is actually the opposite of a C shape, so you're going to go away from where you started, and then the hat is going to go in the same direction. So you can tell them the curve and the hat are both facing away from where they started.